Hello viewer, if you face YouTube Studio connection issue, let's see how to fix video setting not loading on YouTube Studio. Step 1. Tap and hold on YouTube Studio app. Now click on I button. Now scroll down. Click on YouTube Studio Storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from YouTube Studio. Now go back to your home screen. Now follow the most important part. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio. From here, update your YouTube Studio. After complete the update process, follow the most crucial part. Open your phone setting. Now go to your connection setting. From here, make sure your internet connection is stable. If YouTube Studio connection issue problem happens on your desktop or computer, please clear browser cache and cookies and disable all proxy network and VPN extension.